1번 인코테엄즈 2010 DAP에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 This rule may be used irrespective of the mode of transport selected and may also be used where more than one mode of transport is employed. 2번 The seller bears all risks involved in bringing the goods to the named place. 3번 The seller has no obligation to clear the goods for import, pay any import duty or carry out any import customs formalities. 4번 If the seller incurs costs under its contract of carriage related to unloading at the place of destination, the seller is entitled to recover such costs from the buyer in any case. 5번 The seller delivers when the goods are placed at the disposal of the buyer on the arriving means of transport ready for unloading at the named place of destination. 정답은 4번입니다. 2번 오화한 신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 제9조 신용장 및 조건 변경의 통지 어드바이징 오브 크레디츠 앤드 어멘드먼츠에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 An advising bank that is not a confirming bank advises the credit and any amendment with undertaking to honor or negotiate. 2번 A bank utilizing the service of an advising bank or second advising bank to advise a credit must use the same bank to advise any amendment thereto. 3번 An advising bank may utilize the service of another bank, second advising bank, to advise the credit and any amendment to the beneficiary. 4번 By advising the credit or amendment, the advising bank signifies that it has satisfied itself as to the apparent authenticity of the credit or amendment and that the advice accurately reflects the terms and conditions of the credit or amendment received. 5번 If a bank is requested to advise a credit or amendment but elects not to do so, it must so inform, without delay, the bank from which the credit, amendment or advice has been received. 정답은 1번입니다. 3번 우추심에 관한 통일규칙 URC 522 제5조 제시 프레젠테이션에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 If the limiting bank does not nominate a specific presenting bank, the collecting bank may utilize a presenting bank of its choice. 2번 The limiting bank does not utilize the bank nominated by the principal as the collecting bank. In the presence of such nomination, the limiting bank will utilize any bank of its own choice in the country of payment or acceptance. 3번 The collection instruction should state the exact period of time within which any action is to be taken by the drawee. 4번 The documents and collection instruction may be sent directly by the limiting bank to the collecting bank or through another bank as intermediary. 5번 Expressions such as first, prompt, immediate, and the like should not be used in connection with presentation or with reference to any period of time within which documents have to be taken up or for any other action that is to be taken by the drawee. If such terms are used, banks will disregard them. 정답은 2번입니다. 4번 화한 신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 제17조 원본 서류 및 사본 오리지널 다큐먼츠 앤드 카피즈에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 At least one original of each document stipulated in the credit must be presented. 2번 A bank shall treat as an original any document bearing an apparently original signature, mark, stamp, or label of the issuer of the document, unless the document itself indicates that it is not an original. 3번 If a credit requires presentation of copies of documents, presentation of either originals or copies is not permitted. 4번 Unless a document indicates otherwise, a bank will also accept a document as original if it appears to be on the document issuer's original stationery. 5번 Unless a document indicates otherwise, A bank will also accept a document as original if it appears to be written, typed, perforated or stamped by the document issuer's hand. 정답은 3번입니다. 5번 다음 보기 대 내용으로 적합한 것은 1번 This is a cross offer. 2번 This is a counter offer. 3번 This is an offer subject to being unsold. 4번 This is an acceptance of the offer. 5번 This is an offer subject to market fluctuation. 정답은 2번입니다. 6번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 제8조 확인은행의 확약 컨퍼밍 뱅 언더테이킹에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 Confirming banks undertaking to reimburse another nominated bank is independent of the confirming bank's undertaking to the beneficiary. 2번 A confirming bank is irrevocably bound to honor or negotiate as of the time it adds its confirmation to the credit. 3번 Confirming bank undertakes to reimburse another nominated bank that has honored or negotiated a complying presentation and forwarded the documents to the confirming bank. 4번 Provided that the stipulated documents are presented to the confirming bank and that they constitute a complying presentation, the confirming bank must negotiate with recourse if the credit is available by negotiation with the confirming bank. 5번 If a bank is authorized or requested by the issuing bank to confirm a credit but is not prepared to do so, it must inform the issuing bank without delay and may advise the credit without confirmation. 정답은 4번입니다. 7번 5 국제물품매매계약에 관한 유엔협약 CISG 1980 제33조 물품의 인도 시기에 관한 규정이다. 안에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 within a reasonable time, on that date, that any time within that period. 2번 on that date, that any time within that period, within a reasonable time. 3번 within a reasonable time, that any time within that period, on that date. 4번 on that date, within a reasonable time, at any time within that period. 5번 at any time within that period, within a reasonable time, on that date. 정답은 2번입니다. 8번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 제10조 조건 변경 범엔드먼츠에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 An issuing bank is irrevocably bound by an amendment as of the time it issues the amendment. 2번 Confirming bank may extend its confirmation to an amendment and will be irrevocably bound as of the time it advises the amendment. 3번 A bank that advises an amendment should inform the bank from which it received the amendment of any notification of acceptance or rejection. 4번 Partial acceptance of an amendment is allowed and will not be deemed to be rejection of the amendment. 5번 A provision in an amendment to the effect that the amendment shall enter into force unless rejected by the beneficiary within a certain time shall be disregarded. 정답은 4번입니다. 9번 추심에 관한 통일규칙 URC 522 제6조 일람출급 인수 사이트 억셉턴스에 관한 규정이다. 안에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 페이먼트 덕세프턴스 페이먼트 2번 페이먼트 덕세프턴스 3번 억셉턴스 페이먼트 4번 억셉턴스 페이먼트 5번 페이먼트 덕세프턴스 정답은 1번입니다. 10번 협회적 하약관 ICC 2009 제1조 담보위험 리스크스 커버드 중 ICC 약관에서 담보되지 않는 것은 1번 파이어 오어 익스플로전 2번 베셀 오어 크래프트 빙 스트랜디드 그라운디드 성 오어 캐프사이즈드. 3번 제터선. 4번 제너럴 에브리지 세크러파이스. 5번 엔트리 오브 시 레이크 오어 리버 오터 인투 베셀. 정답은 5번입니다. 11번 영국 해상보험법 미아 1906 제56조 분손과 전손 파워셜 앤드 토텔 로스에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 A loss may be either total or partial. Any loss other than a total loss, as hereinafter defined, is a partial loss. 2번 total loss may be either an actual total loss, or a constructive total loss. 3번 unless a different intention appears from the terms of the policy, an insurance against total loss includes a constructive, as well as an actual, total loss. 4번 The assured brings an action for a total loss and the evidence proves only a partial loss. He may, unless the policy otherwise provides, recover for a partial loss. 5번 A goods reach their destination in specie, but by reason of obliteration of marks, or otherwise, they are incapable of identification. The loss, if any, is total, and not partial. 정답은 5번입니다. 12번 국제물품복합운송에 관한 유엔협약 1980 제6조 유통성 복합운송 서류 니고셔벨 멀티모델 트랜스포어트 다큐먼트에 관한 규정이다. 안에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번 to consign이 to order to bearer negotiable original. 2번 to order or to bearer to order to bearer non negotiable copy. 3번 to bearer or to order to bearer to order non negotiable copy. 4번 to bearer or to order to bearer to order negotiable original. 5번 to order or to bearer to order to bearer negotiable original. 정답은 2번입니다. 13번 영국 환원법 빌즈 오브 익스체인지 액트 1882에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 이 빌 may be drawn payable to, or to the order of, the drawer, or it may be drawn payable to, or to the order of, the drawee. 2번 A bill is payable on demand which is expressed to be payable on demand, or SI, or on presentation or in which no time for payment is expressed. 3번 The sum payable is expressed in words and also in figures, and there is a discrepancy between the two. The sum denoted by the figures is the amount payable. 4번 In a bill drawer and drawee are the same person. Or where the drawee is a fictitious person or a person not having capacity to contract, the holder may treat the instrument at his option, either as a bill of exchange or as a promissory note. 5번 A bill is accepted or endorsed when it is overdue, it shall, as regards the acceptor who so accepts, or any endorser who so endorses it, be deemed a bill payable on demand. 정답은 3번입니다. 14번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 중 다음의 내용에 해당하는 규칙은? 1번 CFR 코스트 앤드 프레이트. 2번 CIP 캐리지 앤드 인슈런스 페이 투. 3번 DAT 딜리버드 앳 터미널. 4번 EAP 딜리버드 앳 플레이스. 5번 DDP 딜리버드 두티 페이드. 정답은 4번입니다. 15번 왜 다음 중 청약이라고 할 수 없는 것은? 1번 Offer you firm subject to your acceptance reaching us by May 10 as follows. 2번 We offer you the following goods on the terms and conditions mentioned hereunder. 3번 Your offer is satisfactory to us and we accept your offer unconditionally. 4번 Your offer of May 7 is too high. We can accept the offer at 15 미국 달러 PRPS CAF 뉴요크, USA. 5번 We offer the goods at 5 미국 달러 PRPS CAF 롱비치, CA. USA subject to being unsold. 정답은 3번입니다. 16번 우화한 신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600에서 규정하고 있는 서류에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 The date of the insurance document must be no later than the date of shipment, unless it appears from the insurance document that the cover is effective from a date not later than the date of shipment. 2번 The description of the goods, service or performance in a commercial invoice must correspond with that appearing in the credit. 3번 A post receipt or certificate of posting, however named, evidencing receipt of goods for transport, must appear to be stamped or signed and dated at the place from which the credit states the goods are to be shipped. This date will be deemed to be the date of shipment. 4번 이 transport document must not indicate that the goods are or will be loaded on deck. A clause on a transport document stating that the goods may be loaded on deck is not acceptable. 5번 A bank will only accept a clean transport document. A clean transport document is one bearing no clause or notation expressly declaring a defective condition of the goods or their packaging. The word clean need not appear on a transport document. 2번 if a credit has a requirement for that transport document to be clean on board. 정답은 4번입니다. 17번 거래관계를 권유하는 무역통신문에서 다음 단에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 가장 올바르게 나열한 것은 1번 바이어 디스트리뷰터 마우키팅 건 이밸류에이터 2번 디스트리뷰터 매니어팩처러 마우키팅 건 에이전트 3번 디스트리뷰터 팔로워 트랜스퍼링 건 에이전트 4번 오퍼리 프로듀서 오퍼러 네이 설리서터 5번 프로듀서 컨덕터 셀링 건 에이전트 정답은 2번입니다. 18번 해상화물운송에 관한 유엔 협약 햄버그 룰즈 1978 제2조 적용 범위 스코프 오브 어플리케이션에서 규정하고 있는 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 One of the optional ports of discharge provided for in the contract of carriage by sea is the actual port of discharge and such port is located in a contracting state. 2번 The bill of lading or other document evidencing the contract of carriage by sea is issued in a contracting state. 3번 The port of loading as provided for in the contract of carriage by sea is located in a contracting state. 4번 The bill of lading or other document evidencing the contract of carriage by sea provides that neither the provisions of this convention nor the legislation of any state giving effect to them are to govern the contract. 5번 The port of discharge as provided for in the contract of carriage by sea is located in a contracting state. 정답은 4번입니다. 19번 5 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 유엔 협약 CISG 1980 제1장에서 규정하고 있는 적용 범위 스피어 오브 어플리케이션에 해당되는 것은 1번 Contracts of sale of goods with parties whose places of business are in different states when the states are contracting states. 2번 Sales on execution or otherwise by authority of law. 3번 Sales by auction. 4번 Sales of stocks, shares, investment securities, negotiable instruments or money. 5번 Sales of ships, vessels, hovercraft or aircraft. 정답은 1번입니다. 20번 해상화물운송에 관한 유엔 협약 햄버그 룰즈 1978 제4조 책임의 기간 피리어드 오브 리스판서빌러티에 대한 규정이다. 안에 들어갈 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 Until the time he has delivered the goods in cases where the consignee does not receive the goods from the carrier by placing them at the disposal of the shipper in accordance with the contract at the port of discharge. 2번 From the time he has taken over the goods from the shipper, or a person acting on his behalf. 3번. From the time he has taken over the goods from an authority or other third party to whom, pursuant to law or regulations applicable at the port of loading, the goods must be handed over for shipment. 4번. Until the time he has delivered the goods by handing over the goods to the consignee. 5번. Until the time he has delivered the goods by handing over the goods to an authority or other third party to whom, pursuant to law or regulations applicable at the port of discharge, the goods must be handed over. 정답은 1번입니다. 21번 추심에 관한 통일규칙 URC 522의 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 Clean collection means collection of financial documents not accompanied by commercial documents. 2번 Collecting bank means the bank to which the principal has entrusted the handling of a collection. 3번 Documentary collection means collection of financial documents accompanied by commercial documents and commercial documents not accompanied by financial documents. 4번 Unless otherwise authorized in the collection instruction, banks will disregard any instructions from any party bank other than the party bank from whom they received the collection. 5번 If a collection contains a bill of exchange payable at a future date, the collection instruction should state whether the commercial documents are to be released to the drawer against acceptance, DA, or against payment, DP. 정답은 2번입니다. 22번 선화증권에 관한 법규의 통일을 위한 국제협약 헤이그 룰즈 1924 제4조 운송인의 면책사항에서 규정한 면책 사유에 해당하지 않는 것은? 1번 액트 오브 가드 2번 라이어츠 앤드 시벨 커모션즈 3번 액트 오브 퍼블릭 에너미즈 4번 코런틴 리스트릭션즈 5번 어페런트 디펙트 디스커버러벨 바이 두 딜러전스 정답은 5번입니다. 23번 신용장과 관련된 용어의 해설에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 크레디트 means any arrangement, however named or described, that is irrevocable and thereby constitutes a definite undertaking of the issuing bank to honor a complying presentation. 2번 Acceptance credit is a credit that requires payments to be made after a period of time specified in the LC draft is not required in the acceptance credit. 3번 Transferable credit means a credit that specifically states it is transferable. It may be made available in whole or in part to another second beneficiary at the request of the first beneficiary. 4번 Presentation means either the delivery of documents under a credit to the issuing bank or nominated bank or the documents so delivered. 5번 Confirmation means a definite undertaking of the confirming bank, in addition to that of the issuing bank, to honor or negotiate a complying presentation. 정답은 2번입니다. 24번 5 국제물품매매계약에 관한 유엔협약 CISG 1980 제73조 분할이행계약의 해제에 대한 내용이다. 안에 들어갈 단어들이 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번 인스톨먼트 인스톨먼트 딘스톨먼트 딘스톨먼트 2번 파워셜즈 인스톨먼트 트랜스시프먼트 딘스톨먼트 3번 인스톨먼트 파워셜 시프먼트 딘스톨먼트 트랜스시프먼트 4번 싱글 시프먼트 딘스톨먼트 파워셜 긴스톨먼트 5번 인스톨먼트 파워셜 시프먼트 트랜스시프먼트 파워셜 시프먼트 정답은 1번입니다. 25번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 제22조 용선계약 선화증권 차어터 파워티 빌 오브 레이딩에서 규정하고 있는 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 이 시그너처 바이 더 메스터 오너 차어터러 워 에이전트 머스트 비 아이덴터파이드 에즈 데트 오브 더 메스터 오너 차어터러 워 에이전트 2번 An agent signing for on behalf of the owner or charterer must indicate the name of the owner or charterer. 3번. The date of issuance of the charter party bill of lading will be deemed to be the date of shipment unless the charter party bill of lading contains an on-board notation indicating the date of shipment, in which case the date stated in the on-board notation will be deemed to be the date of shipment. 4번. The port of discharge may be shown as a range of ports or a geographical area, as stated in the credit. 5번. A bank should examine charter party contracts if they are required to be presented by the terms of the credit. 정답은 5번입니다. 26번. 인코테엄즈 2014의 CIP에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번. CIP is used. The seller fulfills its obligation to deliver when it hands the goods over to the carrier and not when the goods reach the place of destination. 2번. The parties are well advised to identify as precisely as possible in the contract both the place of delivery, the risk passes to the buyer, and the named place of destination to which the seller must contract for carriage. 3번. If several carriers are used for the carriage to the agreed destination and the parties do not agree on a specific point of delivery, the default position is that risk passes when the goods have been delivered to the first carrier at a point entirely of the seller's choosing and over which the buyer has no control. 4번. The buyer is advised to procure contracts of carriage that match this choice precisely. If the seller incurs costs under its contract of carriage related to unloading at the named place of destination, the seller is entitled to recover such costs from the buyer unless otherwise agreed with the parties. 5번. CIP requires the seller to clear the goods for export. Applicable. However, the seller has no obligation to clear the goods for import, pay any import duty or carry out any import customs formalities. 정답은 4번입니다. 27번. 전자적 제시를 위한 보칙 DOCP 버전 1.1 상의 정의 definitions 에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번. Document shall include an electronic record. 2번. Place for presentation of electronic records means an electronic address. 3번. Signed and the like shall include an electronic signature. 4번. Appears on its face and the like shall not apply to examination of the data content of an electronic record. 5번. Superimposed notation more stamped means data content whose supplementary character is apparent in an electronic record. 정답은 4번입니다. 28번. 밑줄 친 용어의 설명이 옳은 것을 모두 고른 것은? 1번. 기억, 니은. 2번. 니은, 리을. 3번. 기억, 이은, 디귿. 4번. 이은, 디귿, 리을. 5번. 기억, 이은, 디귿, 리을. 정답은 1번입니다. 29번. 화환신용장 통일규칙 DOCP 600 제3조 해석 Interpretations 에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번. Credit is irrevocable even if there is no indication to that effect. 2번. Branches of a bank in different countries are considered to be separate banks. 3번. Terms such as first class, loan, qualified, independent, official, competent or local used to describe the issuer of a document do not allow any issuer except the beneficiary to issue that document. 4번. Unless required to be used in a document, words such as prompt, immediately or as soon as possible will be disregarded. 5번. The words to, until, till, from and between used to determine a period of shipment include the date or dates mentioned, and the words before and after exclude the date mentioned. 정답은 3번입니다. 30번 협회적 하약관 딘스티투트 카오고 클로지즈 2009 제17조 포기조항 웨이버 클로즈의 내용이다. 다음 안에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 컨센트 어벤던먼트 2번 리젝션 컨스트럭티브 토텔 로스 3번 이버 어벤던먼트 4번 이버 액초일 토텔 로스 5번 토텔 로스 서브러게이션 정답은 3번입니다. 31번 5 국제물품매매계약에 관한 유엔 협약 CISG 1980에서 규정된 승낙 덕세프턴스에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 An oral offer must be accepted immediately unless the circumstances indicate otherwise. 2번 An acceptance of an offer becomes effective at the moment the indication of assent reaches the offerer. 3번 statement made by or other conduct of the offer indicating assent to an offer is an acceptance. Silence or inactivity does not in itself amount to acceptance. 4번 reply to an offer which purports to be an acceptance but contains additions, limitations or other modifications is a rejection of the offer and constitutes a counter offer. 5번 Late acceptance is not nevertheless effective as an acceptance if without delay the offerer orally so informs the offeree or dispatches a notice to that effect. 정답은 5번입니다. 32번 영국물품매매법 세일 오브 고즈즈 액트 1979에서 규정된 계약의 이행 퍼포먼스 오브 더 컨트랙트에 관련된 내용이다. 안에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 서브시퀸트 프라퍼티 2번 프레서던트 퍼제션 덕세프턴스 3번 컨커런트 프라퍼티 4번 요전스 퍼제션 딜리버리 5번 컨커런트 퍼제션 정답은 5번입니다. 33번 영국해상보험법 미아 1906 제78조 손해방지약관 수잉 앤드 레이버링 클로즈의 규정이다. 안에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 클레임 서플러멘트리 딘쇼러 더 서드파어티 2번 수잉 앤드 레이버링 제너럴 에브리지 어슈어드 인쇼러 3번 수잉 앤드 레이버링 서플러멘트리 어슈어드 인쇼러 4번 수잉 앤드 레이버링 라이트 오브 서브러게이션 딘쇼러 더 서드파어티 5번 수잉 앤드 레이버링 디센셜 너슈어드 인쇼러 정답은 3번입니다. 34번 다음에서 설명하는 무역용어로 적합한 것은 1번 어라이벨 노티스 2번 레터 오브 개런티 3번 레터 오브 인뎀너티 4번 트러스트 리시트 5번 빌 오브 익스체인지 정답은 2번입니다. 35번 인코테엄즈 2013의 주요 특징 메인 피처즈에 관한 설명으로 옳은 것을 모두 고른 것은 1번 기역, 이은, 디귿 2번 이은, 디귿, 리을 3번 이은, 디귿, 미음 4번 이은, 리을, 미음 5번 디귿, 리을, 미음 정답은 3번입니다. 36번 다음 선화증권 조항에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 It is able of reading bearing no clause or notation expressly declaring a defective condition of the goods or their packaging. 2번 It is able of reading issued when the goods have been loaded on board the ship. This is able of reading which is issued only after the loading of the goods on board the ship has been completed. 3번 It is able of reading made out to the order of a named party. It is usually made out to order, to our order, to order of shipper, to order of XXX bank and etc. 4번 FOB, CFR or CIF can be used. 5번 It is a notified party and the applicant, the buyer, in LLC transaction usually becomes the notified party. 정답은 4번입니다. 37번 인코테엄즈 2010에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 Under FCA, the seller has no obligation to the buyer to make a contract of insurance. 2번 Under CPT, the buyer has no obligation to the seller to make a contract of carriage. 3번 Under CIF, the seller must obtain, at the buyer's expense, cargo insurance complying at least with the minimum cover provided by clauses C of the Institute cargo clauses MAIUA or any similar clauses. 4번 Under FOB, the buyer has no obligation to the seller to make a contract of insurance. 5번 Under DAT, the buyer has no obligation to the seller to make a contract of insurance. However, the buyer must provide the seller, upon request, with the necessary information for obtaining insurance. 정답은 3번입니다. 38번 협회적 하약관 IGC 2009 내용의 일부이다. 안에 적합한 용어는 무엇인가? 1번 보스 투 블레임 컬리전 클로즈 2번 차어지 오브 보이아지 3번 도레이션 4번 제너럴 에브리지 5번 터머네이션 오브 컨트랙트 오브 캐리지 정답은 1번입니다. 39번 매입 신용장 기준에 의해 환어음을 작성할 경우에 대한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 일람불 환어음을 의미한다. 2번 매도인의 환어음 및 서류를 매입은행이 매입한 경우 매입은행명을 통상적으로 기재한다. 3번 신용장 발행은행을 기재한다. 4번 신용장 발행일을 기재한다. 5번 환어음 발행인의 상호와 주소를 기재한다. 정답은 5번입니다. 40번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010상 다음 단에 해당하는 규칙들로만 나열된 것은? 1번 CPT, IP, CFR, CIF 2번 CIP, FR, DAT, DDP 3번 FAS, FOB, FR, CIF 4번 GIF, DAP, DAT, FS 5번 EXW, FCA, FS, FOB 정답은 1번입니다.